Hello. I'm going to talk to you today about methods of presenting information called comparison and contrast. You can use these kinds of information to help a reader understand a subject by showing its relation to another subject. In other words, you can use comparison or contrast to show how a subject is similar to or different from something a reader already understands. To do this most effectively, a reader should keep in mind the idea of parallel aspects, which we can think of as the same kind of feature in different subjects. For example, you wouldn't say that Charles looks like Jennifer because he has brown eyes and she has a small nose. Those two aspects are not parallel, so the comparison doesn't make sense. I cannot tell the similarity or difference between Charles and Jennifer by looking at the eyes of one and the nose of another. I could look at two sets of eyes, I could look at two noses, but looking at those non-parallel aspects takes away the helpfulness of the comparison. Finally, I'd like to consider the reason for a writer to compare or contrast, to use comparison or contrast. We can think of these techniques as ways to use what a reader already knows to help the reader more accurately understand new information. We can almost never make understanding happen easily, so we can help ourselves by using all the tricks we can think of, in this case including these techniques of comparison and contrast. So, I hope that this lecture has helped you think more about how to use comparison and contrast to add more information to your writing. Consider what your reader might know and how you can use that knowledge to share more clearly what you know. In a way, you're building a bridge between yourself and your reader using your writing, and you can think of comparison and contrast as more possible planks to make that bridge out of. As always, thank you for your time and attention.